How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Tamron 16-30mm F2.8 and we'll be trying it on my Sony a7 IV camera so we can see what it looks like. This is obviously the Sony E-mount variation. First off, we got the instructions, which I'm sure you don't care about, so we'll bypass those. Let's have a look at the box itself. We'll pull the lens right out. It's got these cardboard protectors beside it, and that's about it besides just the lens itself. We'll put that to the side, and let's have a look at our lens. So feels really nice in hand, like it feels solid and good quality. And there is your Tamron cover. Pull that off. We can get a look at the glass right there. We do have the lens hood. There we go, clicked in. You can see it, how it looks with that. Having a look at the back. I love that metal around here. It just feels really good quality. There's the back right there. I believe this is all weather sealed as well, which is nice. Put that back on. And then we do have the 16-30 right there, and it's internal zoom. So you can see it zoom internally when you go like that, but that's good for if you're putting it on a gimbal and stuff. It's not gonna move that weight too much. We do have a function button, custom function button, and then we do have a USB-C port we can use to update and change the features of your function button. So very cool. Let's go ahead and try this on. This is my Sony a7 IV. As my light drops in the back, we'll put that back up. There we go. Sony a7 IV right here. Yes, I've got my big microphone out, but I'm going to be using this as a video camera with this lens. So let's go ahead and align. So we got the white right there, which will align with the white on the lens. So we can go ahead, put that in, click it in just like that. And then that's how it's going to look. We'll take the lens hood off actually, so you can see the lens itself right there. But yeah, looking fantastic on there. That's your look on it. I like it because it's not like super heavy, but it does feel really good and solid. So nice lens. Let's go ahead and turn my camera on right here. And there we go. We've got it in video mode right now. And we'll go ahead and zoom. So we're at, there it is. There's our widest angle right there. Here, I'll flip this so you guys can see. And then we can go zoom in and out. And let's go ahead and grab this piece right here. And you can see, kind of get an idea of the distance right there. So that is fully out, and then we can go fully in. And if you have a Sony camera, you can go clear image zoom, which I've set that as my custom clear image zoom button. We can zoom in even more. So pretty cool. And then we zoom completely out with clear image zoom. But yeah, really, really nice lens. Really, really going to enjoy this one. There you go. That's your unboxing of your Tamron 16-30.